There were books that were amateur histories before the war. The Prujaner Pinkas, which came out in 1931 or 33. There were the Pinkasim that came out in Vilna, the Pinkas von Milchama and Okupacja. There was the Tuizentior Pinsk. There were not so much Yizkor books, but histories of communities, which of course were written not as memorials of dead communities, but as exercises in self-knowledge and self-exploration for living communities. And of all the Jewish communities in Eastern Europe, Vilna excelled at this. If you look at the amount of texts published in Vilna or in New York about Vilna, it's enormous. To some degree, all of these publications were aimed not just at self-knowledge, but at reaching out to the American Landsleit or to the South African or European Landsleit, those who came from that town, steepening the contact, the resonance of the town, and encouraging them to open their wallets and support the town. And in the 20s and 30s, as the economic situation of the Jews declined in Eastern Europe, help from the United States became all the more important. And so these books became all the more important.